2019 Rubicon. Fancy. There's where we go. Oil filter and 5W30 oil. Need a 1/2-inch wrench right there. Filter's right here. Screw it off, lube the new one, put it back on, fill it up. And then add the oil here. 5W30. Take it with the dipstick, wipe it off, put it back in, make sure it's in hash marks. 2019 Jeep Rubicon. You're gonna hit the button twice until those dash lights up. Open your switches over here. You're gonna hit down until you get, well, we'll show you scrolling through, but you hit down until you get to that. Obviously this guy is way overdue. Oil change required, yes, boom, here we go. Boom. We're there now. We're gonna hold the reset button. Hold OK to reset. 1, 2, 3. Boom, done. Now when you get there, it's 100%. Like and subscribe. Any help points.